Come in. Ooh, how are we doing today?
Not too good, doctor.
What are your symptoms?
Unmotivated teams, project delays, and the worst of them, lack of continuous improvement. Is it serious?
We're getting more and more of these cases. Got two things for you. First one, Kanban. I want you to take this, 2 of these every 4 hours for 2 weeks, and Scrum, also 2 every 4 hours for 2 weeks. It will help.
Sounds like a plan. Thank you, doc.
You're welcome.